Now friends, here is exercise 2.3 and it's question number 5. Here, give examples of polynomial p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm, and the conditions are given here. We have to follow it. Here the first sum, degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. Friends, we know that here is p of x, here is g of x, here is q of x and here is the remainder. p of x and q of x हमको ए दोनों का पावर सेम लाना है, ए दोनों की डिग्री सेम लानी है, यानी इधर x रेज़ टू 3 है और इधर x रेज़ टू 3 है, 3 ही लाना है. If here x raised to 2, you must find here x raised to 2. We can take many number of examples. Therefore, we have to make these two power similar, these two degree similar. Here, to get degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. G of x is always non-zero constant. I explain you many number of example. Suppose ध्यान रखो, हमको a दोनों का डिग्री सेम लेना है. We have to find degree of these two similar. We have to find degree of these two similar. आपको इसको कांस्टेंट रखना है, नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट, यानी जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं p of x, q of x, r of x, सॉरी g of x, q of x and r of x, हमको इसको कांस्टेंट लेना है, g of x को कांस्टेंट लेना है, a दोनों का पावर सेम लाने के लिए. If I take in place of p of x x plus 5, मैंने क्या लिया फ्रेंड्स, x plus 5. I take p of x x plus 5. आपको g of x को कांस्टेंट लेना है. आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं. सपोज अपने इधर मैं लेता हूं 2x plus 5. कितना लेता हूं, 2x plus 5. So I will take here 2. Take here 2. First divide by first. 2x by 2. 2 to cut. Here is x. X into 2. 2x. X into 2. 2x. Minus एक कट हुआ. Here is remaining 5. 2 1 जा 2. What is remainder? Remainder 2 to ja 2 to ja 4. So what is the remainder? 1. What is the remainder? 1. So friends, we can see if I take here 2x plus 5, then you have to take the gx 2. What is the q of x? X plus 2. And what is the remainder? 1. Now friends, we can see here the power 1. The degree of p of x and degree of q of x, degree of p of x and degree of q of x are similar. Another example which satisfy our conditions. Suppose someone say p of x is equal 3x square plus 2. Look here friends, I will take here in place of p of x 3x square plus 2. You must take this coefficient here, non-zero constant, as a q of x, g of x. g of x आपको क्या लेना है, non-zero constant 3. Now dividing of these two, what is remaining here? X square. X square into 3, 3x square. A plus sign change, minus 3x square plus 3x square, but here is remaining 2. Okay, so look at these two. What is we find of the answer of q of x? X square. And what is the r of x? 2. Okay, we can take many number of example. Another example I explain you. Only remember, to make these two degrees similar, you have to take g of x non-zero constant. Here, suppose I will take p of x is equal 5x cube plus 3x plus 7. Now, what is g of x, what is q of x, and what is r of x? I say you have to take the g of x only constant. ओके, देखो हम डिवाइडिंग करते हैं. हियर 5x cube plus 3x plus 7 divided by 5. First term divided by first term, you get here x cube. Okay, here also I take 5x, sorry, very easy for us. First term divided by first term, you get x cube here, x cube into 5x cube, change the sign, this will become here. We take here 5x. First term divided by first term, we write here 5. Sorry, here x into 5 plus 5x minus, we take here 7. 5 1 ja 5. So here is remaining 2. So also it satisfies our condition. Look here, q of x cube plus x plus 1 and r of x 2. Friends, look here. If you take g of x as a constant, you always get the power of p of x and power of q of x similar. The degree of p of x and degree of q of x similar. So all in this 3 एग्जाम्पल मैं सिर्फ एक का ही लिखता हूँ लास्ट में, जो लिखना है वो तो, या फिर इसका लिखता हूँ. चलो, अब एक मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिए, ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हैं. इसका मैंने जो बताया वो याद रखो. p of x, g of x, here q of x and here r of x. ये दोनों को सिमिलर लाना है तो आपको इसको क्या रखना है? कांस्टेंट. आपको क्या रखना है? इसको कांस्टेंट रखना है. फ्रेंड, दूसरी बात, हियर we can write here, for this example we write here the values of above satisfies the division algorithm. So we can write p of x is equal क्या है? 3x square plus 2 is equal g of x into q of x 3 into x square plus remainder. ऐसा ये तीनों में लिख सकते हो. Now for the second question, for this condition, degree of q of x is equal degree of r of x. Here once again friends, I write here p of x, g of x, q of x and here r of x. अभी दूसरी बात, इसमें हमको लाना है कि ये दोनों का डिग्री सेम होना चाहिए. We have to make the similar degree of these two. ये दोनों का डिग्री सेम लाना है. We have to make power of same degree of q of x and r of x. For that, I explain you first the example. Suppose we will take p of x. power of degree of p of x, degree of a p of x is always greater than degree of q of x. ये याद रखना है, लेकिन कैसे रखेंगे? To get it, the degree of a p of x is always greater than the degree of g of x. लेकिन वो दोनों में with only one difference. One difference. Here friends look, suppose I take p of x is a x square plus x plus 7. I take p of x as a, sorry, we write here, p of x as a x square plus x plus 7. आपको g of x को इससे एक पावर कम रखना है. We write here 3x cube. I take here x cube. तो आपको क्या लेना है? x square. आपको क्या लेना है? x square. 3 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, बराबर? Degree of p of x is always greater than degree of g of x. देखो, अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं तो क्या होता है? ध्यान रखो इधर. Here x cube plus x plus 7. We write here x square. The first term divided by first term. What is the remainder here? X. X into x square. X cube. We change the sign in our dividing long division method. This x cube cut, here is 0. We take here x and here we take 7. दूसरी बात, आपको ऐसे एग्जांपल लेने के लिए I take here x raised to 3, आपको लिखना है x raised to 2, लेकिन इधर आपको सिर्फ x ही रखना है. हमको सिर्फ एग्जांपल देने हैं. Here we have to give only examples, so you can take any example. Suppose here q of x is equal x and r of x is equal, we can say x plus 7. Here we cannot divide because this power is x raised to 1 and this power is x raised to 2. लेकिन देखो दोनों का पावर सेम है. q of x and r of x are similar. क्या करना है उसको पहले समझ लो फ्रेंड्स. If I take here x raised to 7, you have to take here x raised to 6. Keep here only x. Keep here only x. You can take here any constant. X raised to 7, x raised to 6, x raised to 9, x raised to 8, x raised to 11, x raised to 10. But keep here only x raised to 1. Then you can get automatically this and this similar. Once again, I explain you. Here is x raised to 9. You have to write x raised to 8. But keep here only x raised to 1. x से रखना है, तभी ये दोनों सेम आएंगे. Okay? Now I explain many number of example here. अगर आप x raised to 5 रखते हो तो इधर x raised to 4 रखो. x raised to 7, x raised to 6, x raised to 8, x raised to 7. अगर आप इधर x raised to 11 लेते हो तो इधर x raised to 10. But keep second term always only x. In this case, I clearly say here, the power of q of x and power of r of x always be same. Okay? So here we write the values, the above value satisfies the division algorithm. So we can say here x cube plus x plus 7 is equal, ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, x square into x plus x plus 7. ओके, ये इसका सेटिस्फेक्शन करता है. देखो इसका सिंपलीफाई करेंगे तो आपको वापस मिल जाएगा. ओके, एंड नाउ द लास्ट एंड फास्ट. here once again we write here p of x, here g of x, here q of x and here r of x. अभी ध्यान रखो r of x का डिग्री 0 लाना है, यानी इधर आपको कांस्टेंट टर्म लानी है. You have to find here constant term to get degree of r of x 0. To get degree of r of x is equal 0. Degree of r of x is equal 0. आपको इसमें क्या करना है? तो ध्यान रखो बच्चों, आपको p of x की जगह पे क्या लेना है? p of x, q of x, sorry, g of x, q of x and r of x. आपको r of x का डिग्री पॉजिटिव लाना है, सॉरी कांस्टेंट लाना है, इसका पावर 0 रखना है. टू मेक इट्स डिग्री 0 क्या करेंगे हम? फॉर इट यू हैव टू टेक लाइक दिस एग्जांपल. Suppose I write here 3x plus 7. Suppose I write here 3x plus 7. You have to take the similar term here, 3x. Here you have to take only x. So here what happened? 3. Here what happened? 3. 3 into x, 3x. This is good. It will be 0. So 7. We can see the r of x power is 0. X raised to 0 होगा. So I take the example here 3x plus 7. G of x is equal x. Q of x is equal 3 and r of x is equal 7. अगर कोई बच्चा बोलता है कि I want to take the another sum. Suppose याद रखो बच्चों, इसमें आपको p of x and g of x का पावर सेम रखना है, सेम ही रखना है. एंड हमको ये नहीं पता कि q of x क्या आना चाहिए, हमको सिर्फ एक ही कंडीशन बोला है कि you have to take the power of r of x, degree of r of x is constant. So sorry 0. Here suppose somebody take here x square plus 5. So you have to take the g of x square. So you can get the r of x 1 and q of x 1 and r of x 5. Look here, x square plus 5. आपको इधर x square लेना है. x square divided by x square 1 into x square minus होगा, एक और होगा. We find here 5. Okay, so here we can see the power of r of x is equal 0, यानी आपको r of x constant लाना है. To get degree of r of x 0, keep degree of p of x is equal degree of g of x. ओके, एंड दूसरा ये दोनों का डिग्री सेम रखना है और इधर आगे जाके कांस्टेंट टर्म ही रखना है. ये दोनों डिग्री सेम रख लो, कांस्टेंट टर्म लो. ये दोनों डिग्री सेम रखो, इधर कांस्टेंट ही रखना है, आपको डायरेक्टली आंसर मिल जाएगा. Many number of example we can take here. Another example I explain you. Someone take p of x is equal x cube plus 7, 3x cube plus 7. So what we have to take in place of g of x? Only x cube. Here देखो कैसे आएगा, 3x cube plus 7. I write here x cube, first term divided by first term, we got here 3 into x cube, 3x cube, cut 0, here is the 7. It is a constant term. So we can take many number of example here. r of x is equal 7. It is a constant term. And दूसरी बात, इसमें क्या करना है, फिर से मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ. If you take your 3x cube, आपको इधर x cube है, x cube लेना है. x raised to 5 है, x raised to 5 लेना है. x raised to 7, x raised to 7, x raised to 9, x raised to 9. But here keep the only constant term. Here keep the direct constant term, you can get the answer. Here, okay, keep degree of p of x is equal to degree of k of x, and the second term of p of x is take always constant. Okay, now we write for it the above values satisfies the division algorithm. Here क्या लिखेंगे? 3 of x plus 7 is equal g into x, and x into 3 plus remainder. तो इसका आंसर है 3x plus 7 आता है. You can take many number of example. It's very easy and very simple. Here we will solve the sum with this way. Okay? Thank you friends. Enjoy this sum. Thank you very much.